Welcome to DeFi Crypto today. Our topic today is Yobit.net airdrops. Yobit is having a big promotion on airdrops. They make it very, very, very easy and fun to get airdrops. Uh, for those that might be aware of this, lots of projects like DYDX, Uniswap, Paraswap have had airdrop promotions, and they distributed tens of thousands of dollars in airdrops, and a lot of people made quite a bit of money with it. And it's just for performing very simple things, like you're swapping, clicking something, or registering, or whatever. Very easy way to make money. You don't need to invest anything most of the time, and they give you airdrops. So Yobit is having this promotion on airdrops, and we're going to show you today how you can take advantage of this and earn a ton of tokens. For those that don't remember, this is the second video I'm making on Yobit. And to recap, Yobit is one of the oldest crypto exchanges in the world. They've been founded in 2014. They have very good security. They've never been hacked. You can trade anonymously. You don't need KYC. Registration is a snap. I'll show you how to register because that's another way you can earn an airdrop. It's accessible worldwide. The trading fees are really low. They've got customer service 24/7 via Telegram. You can deposit fiat. You can withdraw to various payment systems. They got multiple airdrops, IEOs, staking, and projects. It never stops. There's tons and tons of ways to get rewards from Yobit. They got over 400 cryptocurrencies that you can trade, and over 3,900 trading pairs. So it's pretty good crypto exchange, right? All right. So this is the video I did last time. We talked about farming and those at that time. And you can see the results of my farming right here. I earned 346 USD on this one. And I earned, what is that? 36 million Floki tokens here. So yeah, so it's working, right? And depending on the pair that you take, some of them have got pretty exciting APYs, as you can see. So, all right, so that's what it looks like. Now, what we're going to focus on today is more on the airdrop. So this is the airdrop page, and as you can see, there are lots and lots of activities that you can perform to earn some what they call fast dollars. Okay, so here, if you register, you can get 300 fast dollars, and that's only once though. But if you make deposits, you can earn 700 fast dollars daily. So each time you make a deposit, they're going to give you 700 fast dollars. For a trade, it's 900 fast dollars. And again, the amounts don't have to be huge, okay? Like here for farming, it says here at least $10 in liquidity. Add at least $10 in liquidity and earn 1,100 fast dollars daily. So it's not. We don't need to be millionaires to earn these airdrops. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now the fast dollars is going to be trading in June, so you have a ton of time to accumulate thousands and thousands of fast dollars before June, and then you can trade it and do what you want. Okay, so right now you have the opportunity to earn piles and piles of these fast dollars for all kinds of activities. So I'm going to show you how to do some of them. So we're going to show you how to do a registration. We're going to do a deposit, a trade, a swap, a little bit of farming, and play dice as well. And then you've got all kinds of activities that you can do in social media as well. So if you send a tweet, you can earn 500 fast dollars. So why not, right? And same thing, you send messages in chat, you create a YouTube video or a TikTok video, you post on Facebook, etc., etc. And you can also get 30% of referral earnings. So if you refer your friends, that's another way for you to get airdrops here for checking users and so on. So you've got all these activities. Once you perform the activity, you hit the make button, okay, and that qualifies you to earn those fast dollar airdrops. All right, so let's check how we can register, and then we're going to do deposit, trades, and so on. So let's assume you don't have an account yet and you want to register. Well, you just go to on the top here. It says register and get 4,700 fast dollars. Well, you're going to get 300 fast dollars, but you can get up to 4,700 fast dollars per day. Okay, so let's do that. So very easy. All you need is, login name, your email address, create your password, and you confirm. Here it says, please enter the red character. So you just have, in this case, you just type M. Okay, then you agree to the rules and you register. There's going to be a confirmation email, and you're done. Okay, they don't need your identification, they don't need your passport, don't need anything else. There's no KYC here. All right. So let's assume that we've done all that. I'm going to log back in. All right, so I'm logged back in, and let's say I want to make a deposit and earn 700 fast dollars. So I would go check my account balances here, and I just have to click on the plus. So let's say I want to deposit some USDT. I'll click on this, and this is the form, okay, that gives you the wallet address where you need to deposit the money. Okay, so let's say you're using MetaMask. So you would click here, and then you would hit the send button on MetaMask, and you type in, you just copy and paste the wallet address so that you can receive USDT in Yobit. All right. So once that's done, and you don't have to put a large amount. I mean, you could put, I don't know, $20, $50, whatever, and already you're eligible. Okay, so you can put like small amounts every day, and you're gonna get your airdrops, right? So that's for a deposit. So if you want to do trade, well, you go to the trade link at the top, and here you can choose the currency you want to buy. So you could buy BTC, for instance, or you could sell some currency. So let's say I wanted to buy some Bitcoin. I select BTC down here. I get the BTC USD pair, and I've got since I've got $536 in USD here, I can click USD, and that's going to give me 0.0116 BTC. Then I hit buy, or I could sell whatever I've got in my wallet here. Okay. Now that's for trading, so that is going to give you make you eligible for airdrops. So after you perform the transaction, whether it's a buy or a sell, you can hit the make button on airdrop right here. So after you you perform your trade, you hit make, and you'll see what it does. Now we haven't done a transaction, so it has to be done. It will show, and then you hit check, and you get your 900 fast dollars per trade. And again, the amounts don't matter. You can make a big trade, small trade, doesn't matter. You're eligible. All right, so go back to the list. All right, so we can swap also. So let's say I've got some Flocky here. So I could click on that, and actually, let's do it from here. Yeah. So this allows us to swap our Flocky for USDT. So let's say I wanted to do that. So I've got all these Flockies here, and I would get 0.245 USDT on this, and I just need to hit swap. All right. Next item we could do farming like we did last time. So go to Yo Farm, and we can just hit the farm button, and we add liquidity. Okay, so we've got all these Flockies here. We could add them, and it's going to automatically select the corresponding value in USDT, and then I just hit the add liquidity. Okay, that will create the LP pair. Then at that point, it's going to start earning me passive income. Right? Now, next item we can do, you can play dice. So they have this dice game. So if you want to play the dice, you click on dice at the top, and you can select the token you want to bet. So let's try Flocky. And here you can put the amount you want to bet. So I don't know, let's put 1,000. I've got 7,000 of them. So if I win the bet, I double my bet. Okay. So we can hit this button. Looks like I made a profit. All right. So it looks like I just won. All right. So anyway, doing this allows you to get more airdrops as well. All right. So you go back here, and I guess I could hit make here. Not enough dice. How many dice do I need? Oh, we need to do 10 dices. All right, sorry. So you got to play the dice game 10 times, and then you hit this button, and you can get your 1,200 fast dollars. All right. So, but anyway, it's easy to do, and you can bet whatever you want. All right. So, for those that are on the social media, well, as I explained earlier, you can send a tweet, you can create a YouTube video, a TikTok video, you can post on Facebook, etc. All those activities allow you to earn more airdrops. So let's say I'm making a YouTube video, for instance. Okay, and we click make. And we just have to follow the instructions. So essentially, it explains how to earn Yobit Airdrops, like I'm doing right now. And so you can show your referral page. Okay, you're going to get a QR code. So you can put that in your video. And you're going to earn referrals. And you show your stats in the movie, explain how to earn. Every day the video should be different. So anyway, they'd like you to make new videos each time you want to claim these 1,400 fast dollars. Okay. And they say that the title of the movie must contain Yobit and the keyword crypto DeFi earn airdrop. And then there must be a keyword in the tag of the video, so you can use all these tags here. Then you put the URL of the video, and once you've done all that, you hit this button, and they're going to give you 1,400 fast dollars. Okay, so those are fun activities. Okay, as I said, you can do, post on Twitter, on Facebook, etc. And you probably do that already. You probably send a lot of tweets every day, so you might as well send a tweet about Yobit Airdrops, and they're going to give you some fast dollars. Easy peasy. All right. So as I explained, these are easy ways for you to collect a lot of airdrops. The fast dollar token is going to be tradable in June. All right. So you have plenty of time to accumulate a big pile of fast dollars doing all these activities. Most of the activities are just regular things you do every day, right? So you're trading, you're swapping, whatever. All those activities allow you to get airdrops. All right. So that's a way for you to make money without incurring extra investments or anything like that. Okay. All right. So that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Download the free book. All you need to do is put your name, your email address, and hit the submit button. Then you get a big fat button that says download the free book. If you miss that button, don't worry. We're going to send you an email with another button that says download the free book. And if you don't want to download the free book, that's okay. You go to Amazon, you pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff sends me $1. See ya.